Hello everyone, let's make some chicken soup. So I got 4 chicken tenders or 1.5 chicken breasts. That will be good enough. So I'm going to dice it. In a pan I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. I'll saute it for a couple of minutes and proceed to the next step. After sauteing it for 3 minutes, I will be adding the chicken. As I sear the chicken, I'll add some salt and pepper to taste. At this point, I have also added 1.5 chopped carrots. To this mixture, I've added 8 chopped mushrooms, which I'll saute all along with the chicken. Now this is an optional step. I have added half teaspoon of red pepper flakes for the heat, and if you don't like the heat, you can totally skip it. Add 1 vegetable bouillon of any kind that you may like. Add 4 to 5 cups of water. Add half cup of mixed vegetables to my soup that we usually get in the frozen aisle of the supermarket. Add 1 to 1.5 cups of noodle to the soup of any kind that you may like. Now after adding the noodles, I will add some spring onions and some cilantro. 2 or 3 cut spring onions and 2 or 3 tablespoons of cilantro. And let the soup come to a boil. And if you want to thicken it, I'll add some cornstarch. I'm going to add slurry of cornstarch and water, which is about 1 3/4 cups of water and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken this soup a little. Okay, give a good mix, and at this point we will season it. And I have a little caller who's come to say hi to you.
Hello.
Hi.
So you eating me?
Yeah. Have a nice day. Soup, I've added about 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Check your seasoning to taste. My seasoning is good, but I have a lemony taste and I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. Some lime juice to taste. Then this soup is ready to serve. My healthy chicken noodle soup is ready to serve. Perfect for a fall day or a winter day to keep you nice and warm. And a good combo of vegetables and some chicken. See you later. Like, share and subscribe.